Hello everyone, good afternoon. My walking is already after. Guys, it's because it rained this morning. So I have to wait. Now the sun come out. Look guys. No way, I don't have a babysit. So I'm free to walk. If I had my grandson, I would take him for walking, but it's different if you walk without without him. You can concentrate. So okay guys, walk with me. 79 degrees. So mainit siya guys, kaso lang umulan. On summertime here, like 5 o'clock in the morning, it's already day. Like, maliwanag na guys. So, pwede ka na makapaglakad-lakad. I hope guys you won't get tired walking with me. Same place every time I go walking. Because this is close to where I live. And plus, wala tayong sasakyan para maghanap pa ng ibang place na mag-walking. This is a beautiful place guys where my granddaughter and I staying. The area is so nice, quiet and clean, and there's a lake. That's my grandson's favorite. Every time we walk over here, he keeps saying water. And there's a lot of ducks over there. And look guys, oops. There you go. So I like this place, especially now that it's going to summer or start the summer. It's nice to walk. They had their own trail for walking. So you can walk here every day, every morning, every afternoon, if you like. So you can do like to the very end, and then come back, or you can go, and then you can go back again if you want. This tree right here, guys, is so beautiful. Look. Okay, let's continue walking. That's the only I like it over here because all the cars cannot drive faster. There's a limit, only 25 miles per hour. Hindi ka na pwede magpabilis. Dahil pag nahuli ka, magbabayad ka ng fine. So I went to the end. Now we're turn around and going back. Look guys how beautiful it is and clean. Nasalubong ko lang guys yung neighbor ko. Daladala niya yung aso niya. Yan. Anyway guys, last Friday is my granddaughter's last day at school. So I don't worry about dropping her off in the morning. So that I can start walking in the morning before my other grandson came darating. So ayan guys, malapit na tayo across the street. If you want to continue walking, you can walk all the way over there. See all those people walking. There's a lot of people walking over here, but so I'm just gonna go back and get ready to take a shower. Maybe tomorrow morning I go ahead start walking early morning, like 6 o'clock or quarter to 6. So there's a lot of houses in here in this area, and townhouse, a different style of townhouse. And there's another lake close to where we live. Winter time, guys, if you're not gonna work out or or watching what you're eating, you're gonna gain weight because of course it's cold, and you know you can do exercise in the house or you can go to the gym, but the gym is expensive. So this is what I'm doing while it's nice. I try to take advantage to walk. Okay, we're here. Okay guys, look at my flower. Yeah, so cute. One. And this one, I hope it's gonna get more flower because see, look. Guys, sitting here at the porch, trying to relax before I go inside because I'm sweat. And I don't want to go in because the AC is on and it's cold. So I'm gonna let it dry out here first before I go inside and take a shower. So it's nice out here, quiet. Look at all my neighbors. Okay, just finished take a shower. Good morning, beautiful people. This is the next day. How you all doing? Hope everybody's doing great. Early this morning, I'm gonna start walking because maybe later on it's gonna start raining again. Yesterday, I walked like around 12 something in the afternoon because it stopped that morning. Stopped raining. So parang sunod-sunod na guys ang ulan. Hindi naman like whole day o ulan, pero pachimpo-chimpo na bigla na lang uulan. So anyway, last night it rained. Kaya yan, mabasa yung mabasa ang mga damo. Beautiful lake. And then later on, I'm going to my daughter's house. I'm gonna go pick up something. Dahil today it's her day off. And I'm watching her son, my grandson. And tomorrow, yeah, I'm gonna babysit him. So while I got time, let's go walking. This time I'm going walking to this side. Instead I'm turning left, I'm turning right. I'm gonna walk all the way to the school and then come back, walk all the way around. Ayan guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi, look. All the flowers falling on the ground. Because all the trees start the flower again, look. Oops. So we're almost here at the school. So when I get there to the very end, then we're turning back. Okay guys, so I'm right here at the end, and just go turn around and go back. So iikutin natin guys all the way paikot. At least dito guys, there's maraming trees, hindi masyadong mainit. Beautiful trees. Look guys, all the flowers look beautiful. this is the next day, guys. Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing great. And I think last night it rained, and then look, that's no, it rained until this morning. That's why I didn't go walking this morning. So anyway, my grandson is already here. And they're inside with my other granddaughter. She's watching him because they don't have no school anymore. They're already kung sa ano pa nagsira na ang klase nila. So ayan guys, at least may araw na yun. Ito tayo ngayon sa labas. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking kamatis na nag-iisa lang. Pero look guys, may bunga na. Ayan, dalawa. Tapos ito guys, may oops. Ayan. Pa, meron na rin tatlo. Ayan, tatlo guys. Ayan, isa lang ang binili ko noon. Pero ang problema kasi guys na hindi maganda. Kailangan sa pasok mo itanim muna ka dito mga tamnan. Hindi katulad dati yung tinitirahan namin. So far, ang atin malunggay dahil sa ulan ng ulan, sa kami init. Yan, got more leaves already. At least paano may nakukunan tayo. Panghalo sa atin lulutuin. So okay guys, ito nag-mix yung anak ko ng dinner for tonight. Ano siya guys, beef, parang beef stew. Ito ang hinalo niya na klaseng gravy. At saka yung ranch salad dressing seasoning. Then chicken broth. So ito guys, 8 hours low crock pot. Yan, after 4 hours, ayan na siya guys. So ang gawin natin, i-mix lang natin, ihalo. Tapos another 3 to 4 hours para ready na yung dinner mamaya pag dumating siya galing ng trabaho. So habang nag-aalaga ako ng apo ko, ayan ang corn. So ayan guys, tulog na yung apo ko. Ayan. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video for today. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, of course. And you all have a wonderful day, wonderful night. God bless us all, and see you in my next vlog. Bye. Mario Gummy Bears, Super Mario. Yan ko siya ng isa. Here?
What's over that? She got another?
Let Ate open it, okay? Just sit down.